Hello my lovely internet people. What we have today is 3D stereo drawing pen rp100b. I especially like this diversified picture with Asian boy and Caucasian female. We have purple, blue, yellow, pink. Mine is marked in between. It's gray, by the way. Abundant material is compatible with intelligent memory, high precision of controlling the real-time temperature, the design of over-raised, individual writing point with quick plun design, okay, nozzle core with anti-scald design, the Intel throat with arc filter, the design of speed control. Why would anyone buy this? Is probably the cheapest 3D pen on the market. I paid $20 on eBay. Let's open it up. Inside we have manual, 3 PLA plastic spools, power plug, 12 volts, 2 amps, 3D pen itself. 3D pen has two buttons on the left hand side, so feeding button and unloading button. We have two LEDs, power LED indication if the temperature is good. We have temperature selection, feeding speed adjuster. On the top we have feeding hole and the power supply cable connection. I don't know how well you're going to see, but on this left side you can see the number 102, and that means that it's on the highest temperature setting. If you want to turn up the temperature, you go counterclockwise, and if you want to decrease it, you go clockwise. Intuitively I would do that other way around. And let's test it with provided PLA. When you turn it on, you can see this yellow LED. So now it's in standby mode. Press the feed button once, you get red LED glowing, and when it's going to reach the temperature, it's going to light up with the green color. It's already green. Press feed button. Be careful with those cheap 3D pens, they have very hot nozzle. It constantly is pouring out filament. It seems that it should have a retraction, because when you press it feed and you stop it, you hear it retract a little bit, but that is not doing anything. Let's try to draw something simple. So if you don't use it for a little bit, it goes to standby mode. You just press the feed button again. Trying to draw with this, it's a little bit challenging. The hardest part with this 3D pen would be trying to go upwards, so making like real 3D type drawings out of the box, or without making 2D prototypes and connecting them back. Printing upwards, it is challenging. You would need some kind of external cooling device. But as you can see, you can go upwards. This is very good for prototyping models from 2D. So if you have, like, for example, as this little plane, you can make it on the 2D surfaces and then connect them together. So this is what I made. You can make quite intricate models. This is with the PLA, and let's test out ABS filament. By the way, I got it from 3dplastics.com. You can find them on eBay. I got bicolor. As you can see, it's red filament from outside, gray filament inside. So let's take a little bit of filament. So sorry I did not film the whole making process, but I rushed it a little bit, so it's not as smooth as it could be, but I really like to work with ABS. Solidifies faster. But another thing, when you're working with this ABS, I left it sit and it went into standby mode and cool down. So I have a clog in the nozzle. Not a problem, but just a note to have to yourself that you always need to back up the filament. After I cleaned it, it works fine, and I really prefer to work with ABS. But you need to be aware of that it shrinks a little bit, so you need to tape down your stencil. In all purposes, this is a very nice tool to learn on. After playing with this, I kinda want to have a little bit better one with better speed control, better nozzle, maybe something with retraction. Yeah, I would spend a little bit more, like 30 or 40 bucks. Thanks for watching and bye.